Hi, welcome to Aspen. This is the Far Eastern Consortium's pinnacle development here in Canary Wharf. It is sitting adjacent to the new Dorsett Hotel. We are moments from Canary Wharf itself, which obviously is probably well aware, has an abundance of shops, bars, restaurants, leisure facilities, and we also have the connectivity of the Jubilee line, the DLR, and also now the new Elizabeth line, which is fabulous, getting across town. The development itself is the second largest in Europe at 63 stories, which is phenomenal. You've got a 63rd story tower here with on the top a lovely sky garden, which will be residents only. You've also got, that's on level 63, you've also got a bar and lounge, you've got a snug room as well, and on levels 21 and 22, you have the gym on level 22, the spa, the sauna and the vitality pool, and on level 21 you have a screening room, business suite, winter garden, the arrivals lounge for when you get there, and also the private dining room and wine room. The development itself, starting prices are studios which are £550,000 with a service charge of £5.85 per square foot per annum, which is a phenomenal price considering the amount of facilities in this. What you also have access to are the facilities in the hotel as well, which constitute a number of different things, including taxi and chauffeur service, daily newspaper delivery, flower service, housekeeping, laundry, dry cleaning, home and beauty treatments, private fitness, yoga, Pilates instructors, babysitting service, pet care, I mean, can I go on? Access to a doctor, and also private wine room and small maintenance items, as well as, wait for it, room service to your apartment. So if you're chilling in with friends on a Friday evening and you just want someone to bring you up a steak or a couple of steaks, you've got access to that. How good's that? Anyway, let's go and have a look at the apartments.